Hello everyone, happy May. So this is our Maypole that we installed in 2000, I should know this because it was the year I got married, 2018. And the first time we used it was actually for Colin and I's wedding ceremony. Last year was the first year we used it in May for Beltane, and then this year we also did the Beltane ceremony, just a little different than we have in the past, as with the COVID-19 going on. But that's the results of this year's wrappings. Everyone's intentions woven round for the year. And this feature here was actually one of the first that was planted up for our community gardens. It's 3,000 daffodil bulbs, creating a beautiful field. And that was originally planted up in 2013. It's a lovely spot to come sit under that Japanese maple, some shade, and just enjoy the wind chimes. One of my goals is for there to be maps around the gardens, and the maps can show you not just the trails or the different features that we have here, but also sort of boxes that would contain meditation prompts. So you could find one of those and learn to meditate with one of those self-guided prompts. The chickens are quite noisy. Here's some of our new ladies, little cinnamon hens we rescued from a place down the road. They have become such friendly chickens from the little scared things we got. Very, very needy of our attentions. And over there is Big Mama and Peekaboo, that Rhode Island red, and Big Mama is the black and white one. Got her from a friend. Peekaboo was one of my original chickens from the original flock I got in 2013 or 14. She's the one survivor. Everyone else has been either predated or died from just age or illness. Our beloved Nelson, one of our favorites, passed last year. But life is full of energy right now at the gardens. The birds are all busy building their nests. It's a beautiful time to visit, especially for those of you that are fans of watching the birds. And you might be able to see another favorite feature of our gardens, Miss Tiger Lily.